Among the plant kingdom's ancient survivors, the rough horsetail stands out as a true wonder. This peculiar, non-flowering plant has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years, tracing its lineage back to the Carboniferous period over 300 million years ago when its towering ancestors dominated the prehistoric landscape. With its distinctive jointed stems and rough, silica-rich texture, the rough horsetail is unmistakable. Growing up to 3 feet tall, its hollow green shoots emerge from an extensive underground network of rhizomes. At the joints, striking black sheaths encircle the ridged stems, each ridge imparting a sandpapery feel, a remnant of the plant's remarkable history. In an era before man-made abrasives, the rough horsetail's coarse stems were prized for their scouring ability, giving rise to one of its common names, scouring rush. Pioneers would bundle the hollow green stalks and use them to scrub cooking pots and pans to a bright shine. This abrasive property also serves as a natural defense, deterring many herbivores from making a meal of the silica-laced plants. Unlike flowering plants, rough horsetails rely on spores rather than seeds to propagate. In early summer, cone-like structures sprout at the tips of the green stems, releasing clouds of minuscule spores that resemble clouds of brownish smoke. If a spore lands in moist soil, it can germinate into a small gametophyte that will eventually develop into a new rough horsetail plant after fertilization occurs. While its ancestral roots make the rough horsetail a botanical antiquity to appreciate, modern gardeners must approach it with caution. Thanks to its rapidly spreading rhizomes, this living fossil can be an aggressive invader, crowding out other plants in the garden. It also poses a risk to grazing livestock like horses, as the entire plant is mildly toxic. Still, the rough horsetail's incredible resilience over deep time is a testament to its evolutionary mastery. Whether admired in the wild or cultivated with care, this humble plant serves as a vital link to our planet's ancient past, sharing the story of life's tenacity through an incomprehensible span of ages.